Hi everyone, and welcome back to MUSC 100, Fundamentals of Music Theory. This video covers rhythm symbols, rest symbols, ties, and augmentation dots. The duration of a sound is represented in music notation with a set of symbols called rhythm symbols. Combinations of different note heads and flags tell you the relative length of time that a note should last. This symbol is a quarter note. It's a full note head with a stem. A half note is twice as long as a quarter note. It's written as an open note head with a stem. The whole note is an open note head with no stem. It's equal in length to 2 half notes and also equal in length to 4 quarter notes. You can also notate rhythms that are faster than quarter notes by using flags and beams. An eighth note is half the length of a quarter note. An eighth note is written with a full note head and a stem with a single flag. 2 eighth notes that are next to each other are connected by a beam. They're grouped by a beam to remind you that these 2 notes are equal in length to a quarter note. A 16th note is half the length of an eighth note and is written with a full note head, stem, and a double flag. 4 16th notes are grouped together using a double beam. Again, the beam reminds you that these 4 16ths are equal in length to 1 quarter note. 32nd notes are half the length of a 16th note and are written with a full note head, stem, and a triple flag. 8 32nds are grouped with a triple beam and are equal in length to a quarter note. There are also symbols that are used to represent silence, the lack of sound, in music notation. These are called rests. Every rhythm symbol has a corresponding rest symbol. There's a whole rest, half rest, quarter rest, eighth rest, 16th rest, and 32nd rest. A tie connects 2 or more notes of any value. The total length of a note is equal to the combined length of all the notes that are tied together. An augmentation dot is used to extend the length of a note. The dot tells you to extend the note by half of the original value of the note. For example, a dotted quarter note is equal in length to a quarter note plus an eighth note. A dotted half note is equal in length to a half note plus a quarter note. Sometimes 2 dots will be attached to the same note. In this case, the length of the note will be equal to the original value plus half of that value plus half the value of the dot.